How to fix your desktop icons are missing on your Mac computer. So if you can't see any of your files or apps from your desktop, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is come up to the Apple logo in the top left hand side and then press System Settings. You then need to scroll down on this left hand side and click on Desktop and Dock. Now, once you've done this, you'll see automatically hide and show the dock. Make sure this option here is turned off and disabled. You can then scroll down to Desktop and Stage Manager, where it says Show Items, make sure On Desktop is turned on. You can also scroll down to the widgets, and you can also choose to show the widgets on your desktop as well. Now, once you've done this, close out of this window, and you should now be able to see your desktop icons. If it's still not working, click on Go at the top of the page, and then click on Desktop. You can then check to see if you can see your files from here. If you still can't see them, then you can click on your documents and you can just go and re-add your files to the desktop by dragging each folder over to the desktop like so. You can also do the same for your applications as well. Just drag the application to the desktop. So that's how to fix missing items on your MacBook desktop.